Good afternoon. So in last class we discussed about the aromatic aldehydes and the ketones preparation methods. The chemical properties of aromatic aldehyde is benzaldehyde and acetophenone, similar to the aliphatic aldehydes as well as the ketones. There is one reaction which is known as the Perkinson condensation reaction. It is also same just like as the aldol condensation. That is modified. For the aromatic aldehyde, we use this condensation reaction. For example, benzaldehyde treating with the acetic anhydride acetic anhydride acetic anhydride in presence of the anhydride of the same acid of salt can be used as a base. That is sodium acetate. Whatever the anhydride we are using of the same acid of sodium or potassium salt is used, because in this case it is now acts as a base. In routine condensation of aldol condensation, what we use now, any aldehyde which containing of alpha hydrogen atom treating with the base. It is also base, but the acid, that salt of the acid which is same as the anhydride, when it form the one, two, three. 3-phenyl, 2-propanol. 3-phenyl, 2-propanol, enol, or it may be known as the commonly cinnamaldehyde. So benzaldehyde treating with the acetic anhydride in the presence of the sodium salt of acetic acid or sodium acetate can give the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, which is known as the cinnamaldehyde. It is a name reaction which is called as the Perkinson condensation reaction. Okay, aliphatic aldehyde treating with the base can give the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone, that is known as the aldol condensation or ketol condensation. Similarly, aromatic aldehydes will also give the same reaction when they are treating with the acidic any anhydride of the acid treating with the anhydride of the carboxylic acid and salt of that acid, whatever the anhydride we are using in this reaction, that acid salt as used to give as the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, that's what we can call as the Perkinson condensation reaction. It is for only mains, no? Okay. So put a heading of Parkinson condensation. Parkinson condensation. Benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Treating with the acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride in the presence of in the presence of sodium acetate. In the presence of sodium acetate gives cinnamaldehyde. Gives cinnamaldehyde. Write the chemical reaction. Make correction. Not aldehyde. Acid. Sorry, let me correction. Cinnamic acid. Make correction. Not aldehyde. Cinnamic acid will be formed. I repeat the statement. Please make correction. It is benzaldehyde heating with the acetic anhydride in the presence of the sodium salt of acetate give the cinnamic acid. Look at the mechanism of this reaction. It is acetic anhydride. These are the alpha carbons. When treating with the sodium salt of acetate, now it is act like as a conjugate base which can trap the hydrogen. This acetate ion remove this hydrogen atom and convert into CH2 minus C double bond O removed in the form of minus of acetic acid. That is step 1 now. Now this carbon ion attack on the electron deficient center of the carbonyl carbon. Then these electrons are moved towards to the oxygen. O minus hydrogen, CH2, C double bond O. Okay. When it is treating with the acid, because that acid is obtained by the abstraction of hydrogen atom, then this base, that is negative charge, will trap this hydrogen, converted into OH, it is an alpha carbon, now it is a beta carbon. On heating, it can be removed in the form of H2O. So it forms the alpha beta unsaturated anhydride, which on hydrolysis, esters on hydrolysis can give the, anhydrates and hydrolysis can give the carboxylic acid. So it forms the cinnamic acid, CH double bond CH COOH. It is the first step and it is second step. Whatever the carbon ion formed in this case will attack on the carbonyl carbon atom of benzaldehyde and form the addition product, which again get protonated by the acetic acid present in the solution to form as the beta hydroxy derivative. On heating, loss of water molecule, it can form the alpha beta unsaturated anhydride, which on hydrolysis, this bond will go for the cleavage and form the carboxylic acid, either of the left side or maybe a right hand side. Because there is no need to learn about the mechanism, it is for our understanding. We are discussing here for the mechanism. So it is what the Perkinson condensation reaction. Okay, note down now. So next come to the carboxylic acids. Generally, carboxylic acids are the organic compounds which contain the carbonyl function group and hydroxy function group. The organic compounds which contain the carbonyl and hydroxy function group are known as the carboxylic acids. General formula of carboxylic acid is CnH2n plus 1 CO. In the olden days, these carboxylic acids are named from their Latin names. They are called as the source of the acids. For example, formic acid obtained from the insects or red ants. Acetic acid obtained from the acetum. Capric acid obtained from the goats. So these are the Latin names which are used for the carboxylic acid in the olden days. That's what we can call as tribal names. These are known as the tribal system of nomenclature. Another one, derived system. These carboxylic acids are treated as derivatives of the acetic acid. That means they are called as the alkyl acetic acids. Those are called as the derived system. For example, if it is containing of CH3, CH2, COOH, it is what we can call as the acetic acid. So it is known as the methyl acetic acid. And third one come to the IUPAC system. That is alkan plus oic acid. That's what we can call as the alkanoic acid. So these are three systems which are used for the naming of carboxylic acid: tribal system, derived system, and IUPAC system. In general, aliphatic carboxylic acids are known as the fatty acids because these are obtained from the hydrolysis of oils or fats. Aliphatic carboxylic acids are known as the fatty acids because they are obtained by the hydrolysis of oils or fats. For example, we look at the first one. It is known as the common name is formic acid. IUPAC name nothing but the that is tribal name. IUPAC nomenclature nothing but the methanoic acid. Presence of two carbon atoms. Common name or tribal name is acetic acid. IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Similarly, now if the OH group, that is the carboxylic acid group, present on the main chain, then they are called as the alkanoic acid. Look at this example of fifth one. The carboxylic acid is not present in the main chain. In such cases, we used to name the compound as alkane carboxylic acid. When a carboxylic acid function group is not present in the main chain, then they are named as the alkane carboxylic acid. Or if more than one carboxylic acid present in a compound, then also we may use the alkane carboxylic acid. So come to carboxylic acid, the compounds which contain the carbonyl and hydroxy function group are known as the carboxylic acid. General formula is CnH2n plus 1 COOH. In the olden days, they are named by using Latin names. That is what we can call as a tribal system. Formic acid obtained from the red ants, acetic acid from acetum, capric acid from goats. Second one, derived system, it is the system generally applicable for the naming of higher carboxylic acid. They are treating as the derivatives of, that is alkyl derivatives of acetic acid. Come to IUPAC name, alkanoic acid. If the carboxylic acid is present in the main chain. In case the carboxylic acid is not present in the main chain, then it is named as the alkane carboxylic acid. Aliphatic carboxylic acids are known as the fatty acids because these are obtained by the hydrolysis of oils or fats. Okay, so put a heading of carboxylic acid, then write down. Compounds containing carbonyl group and hydroxy function group are called carboxylic acids. Write the general formula. CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Make side heading nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Write this cleaner. Alkyl derivatives. Alkyl derivatives of acetic acid. Ethyl acetic acid. Next now. Aliphatic monocarboxylic acids. Aliphatic monocarboxylic acids are known as fatty acids are known as fatty acids because because they are obtained they are obtained by the hydrolysis of oils or fats. It's known as the succinic acid. Common IUPAC name ethane 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. The preparation method we will discuss in the next class. Try to write names of these carboxylic acid. Common name or IUPAC name. Preferable to write the IUPAC names only.